Sabi naman ni Senator Coco Pimentel, bakit sila nagmamadali? Ang Senado ang may kapangyarihan para mag-determine kung anong gagawin sa kanilang inaakyat.
Tama.
Please, your reaction to this.
Ang tinatawag, yung na-adjourn kahapon sa Senado is the Senate as a legislative body.
Ang kahapon.
Ang kahapon.
Okay.
But ang Senate kasi may dalawa ang personahe. Personahe ng Senado. As a legislative case, a legislative body, gagawa sila ng batas. May tinatawag din silang, they can also act as an impeachment court, iba naman yun.
Which is also mandated to them by the Constitution.
By the Constitution. Ayun. Hindi ibig sabihin na adjourn na sila, hindi na sila pwede mag-act as an impeachment court.
Klaro May binabanggit si Atty. Mark, kahit nag-adjourn ang legislative function nila, which June 2 pa ang session resume, they can gather again as a plenary body but to convene and declare themselves as
impeachment court. Yan ha. So hindi ibig sabihin na adjourn na sila, natuwa dyan, adjourn na daw. Yes, adjourn na sila as a legislative body. But wala pang na-adjourn, wala pang na-convene ang Senate as a impeachment court.
Attorney Mark,
yan ha.
Dito, kung sa plenary or sa legislative function, kailangan ang quorum, which is majority number plus 1, sa pag-convene into an impeachment court, is it also required?
Yes, of course. Kasi ang impeachment court, collegial body yan. Hindi pwede ang mag-decide lang isa.
Senate President.
O Senate President lang. Kailangan, pag preside niya doon, kung 5 tao lang nandun, 12 lang sila nandun, hindi pwede matuloy yan. Kasi kailangan ang quorum.
So pwedeng yan ay questionin sa Korte Suprema at maging invalid kung ituloy nila?
Yes, maging invalid kung ituloy nila kasi kailangan ng quorum.